And that's about as exciting as it gets on the farm. In the morning, you feed and take care of chicken. At noon, you open their pen and let them run around. Not a whole lot here. Hello, Miranda. Going to make sure that Hank hasn't been disturbed. I I was asked if I wanted to have Hank cremated, and I couldn't leave him behind at the vet's. For one thing, he always hated good, nothing's tried to dig him up. He always hated being left behind. He actually would chase my car if he happened to be outside when I would leave. So I couldn't leave him